Why does higher driver voltage help a stepper motor? Not because it creates unlimited current, but because it makes current rise faster. Using the EGUS motor datasheet, this winding has 0.65 ohms, 3.2 millihenries, and a 4.2 amp target current. Its electrical time constant is about 4.9 milliseconds, but the available full step time shrinks quickly. Using the RL current rise equation, 24 volts needs about 0.59 milliseconds to reach 4.2 amps, while 48 volts needs about 0.29 milliseconds. So at 1000 revolutions per minute, 24 volts misses the window and 48 volts nearly fits it. And this is before back EMF, which makes high-speed operation even harder. So higher voltage doesn't mean unlimited current. The driver still limits current. It means faster current rise, better current at speed, and better high-speed torque. Next, why microstepping does not magically create torque.